Hey, what's up, guys? This is PO. We're getting ready to do the draft order for the Last Minute Football League. I have my lovely assistant McKenna with me today,
Hi.
and Mommy is in the background. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
All right, guys. Here we go. We're getting ready. We're going to go down here so you guys can see the date, timestamp, and everything, so you know we're not cheating. And we're going to go over here and roll the dice, and the dice has to be a
4.
or higher. So we click roll the dice.
And
Ooh.
it is a. My brain has to be thinking.
Look at it.
I know. Oh, it is 11. No, it's 10.
Good Lord.
Sorry, so we can.
Not very good assistant.
Okay, yeah, right? Okay, and here's the names. McKenna's going to read the names off.
P.O. Beak, Breeze, Stump, Sith, Greg Gardner, Jason, Hyatt, Wolf, and Canuck.
And Canuck. Okay. And we're going to go 10 times. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, now there's 9. So this is on top.
So Sis is first, and
Right
Dad's
now.
in 5th.
And I'm in 5th.
Dad, I don't know.
Greg Gardner's dead last. So we're going to go back over here and verify that we are going 10 times. Right, Kennebug?
Yep.
You want to add it again, or you're pretty sure it's 10?
I'm pretty sure it's 10.
Okay, all right. Okay, we are going to do, here we go. Tell them good luck.
Good luck. Oh, Daddy!
Okay, that was not rigged at all, but I will take the first pick. All right, read off the order.
P.O., Jason, Peak, Wolf, Sis, Stump, Canuck, Breeze, Greg Gardner, and Hyatt.
Ooh, Greg Gardner and Hyatt are dead last. That's not very nice. All right, guys.